are our headers. It's all in perspective. Boom. So the headers are coming along nicely. And there you go, we got him in there. And the, you know, the cats. And that's the center muffler, gonna go like right here. And we're in business, so looking pretty good. And then we have to train those valves, you know. This one using the original valves from Porsche right there. So, and this is the controller, so we need to train it to open up and close when we need to, when we push the button. So that's the final stage, and hello neighbors, here I come.
So what's going on the 2RS?
Oh boy, Tony's gunning it. Oh, what a sound. Wow. We're just testing it and see if the valves are working properly and everything, so stand by.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any feedback, feel free to leave a comment down below.